Breaking news coming in right there. Supreme Court has resumed the hearing on Rhea Chakraborty's plea. Remember, Rhea had filed a plea for transferring Patna FIR to Mumbai. However, the CBI had taken over Patna probe. That's the latest coming in right there. Munish Pandey breaking the story. He's now joining us for the very latest on this. Munish, if you could just tell us where does the hearing stand? All right, Munish will be joining us in just about a bit. Now, senior advocate Shyam Devan is appearing for Rhea Chakraborty and we will get a better understanding of what is going on in the Supreme Court once Munish is with us. But at the moment, what we know is that the Supreme Court has resumed the hearing on the plea filed by Rhea Chakraborty. Remember, for our viewers who have just tuned in, Rhea had filed a petition, and this was to transfer the Patna FIR to Mumbai. However, the CBI has taken over the Patna probe at the moment. Rhea's lawyer is saying that we have responses from all the parties. Rhea's lawyer happens to be senior advocate Shyam Devan. He is appearing for Rhea Chakraborty in the Supreme Court, going on to say we have responses from all the parties concerned. The Supreme Court resumes hearing on Rhea Chakraborty's plea. That's the story we're breaking at the moment. In the meanwhile, you do know that Rhea has been grilled by the Enforcement Directorate for many hours yesterday. Yesterday was the second round of grilling. Her father was grilled, her brother was grilled, all of this because there was an allegation of a money laundering case of 15 crore rupees as well. And in this particular case, as far as the Supreme Court is concerned, she has also objected to the media trial that is going on. Munish is joining us for the very latest. Munish, if you could just give us an inside track of what's happening in the Supreme Court right now, Munish.
Yeah, well, at this point of time, the advocate for Rhea Chakraborty, Mr. Devan, is arguing that if the case has been registered by the Bihar police, remember there is no jurisdiction of Bihar police because the crime has taken place in Maharashtra, and the court should, give a direction that the case should be transferred to Maharashtra and before the Bandra Metropolitan Court. Also, what it has been argued before the court is that Bihar police has no jurisdiction. There was a delay of over 38 days, and what the advocates for Rhea Chakraborty believes that there may be a political biasness in this case, and that is why there can't be fair probe by the Bihar police. So at this point of time, the argument is still going on. There is an affidavit which was filed by Mr. Devan, the advocate for Rhea Chakraborty, in which what has been told that on 14th June, Sushant Singh Rajput died. On 25th of July, the first complaint was filed by Bihar Patna police. Now, there was a delay of 32 days. On 28th of July, Bihar government has sent 4-member team for Mumbai to Mumbai for investigation. And on 29th of July, transfer petition was served on the officers of Bihar police. So at this point of time, what the advocate for Rhea Chakraborty is maintaining that instead of, the proper procedure were not followed, and this is why the Bihar police came to Maharashtra, and there should be intervention by the court. He has also said that the address in the FIR for place of occurrence of crime is given as the residence of KK Singh, whereas the address should be Sushant's flat in Mumbai, where he died. The lawyer for Rhea Chakraborty is also reading out the FIR filed by KK Singh. So, the plea which was filed by Rhea Chakraborty it always maintained that they want fair probe in this case, and there should not be investigation by the Bihar police because this matter might be
How long do you reckon the hearing is going to last?
Rhea Chakraborty's advocate is maintaining at this point of time. But also from Maharashtra government, there has been affidavit filed. There is a reply filed by Sushant Singh's family, and the center has also filed a reply in this case. So at this point of time, Rhea Chakraborty's advocate is arguing the case, but still Abhishek Manu Singhi from Maharashtra government is still to argue the case before the Supreme Court.
All right, we'll continue bringing our viewers up to speed with the very latest details. Munish is getting us all the inside track as far as what's happening in the Supreme Court right now. The hearing is on at the moment. For now, it's a wrap from me, Chaiti Narula, on this bulletin. For further news and updates, log on to indiatoday.in.